What's going on, guys? My name is Lindsay, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to do Facebook Marketplace dropshipping product research. Now in this video I'm going to share with you 3 free ways that you can actually get started with this, and this is how I was able to get my first sales with Marketplace dropshipping. Now there are some paid tools that you can use in order to do product research, but in this video I'm going to share with you a few ways that you can do this for free so you can go ahead and get started to get your first initial sales. Now once you start to get the hang of dropshipping on Marketplace, then you definitely want to probably invest into like a paid tool that'll actually help you to do product research a lot simpler. But again, let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me share with you these 3 strategies that'll actually help you to get your first sale on Marketplace. So the first strategy that I want to share with you is on Walmart.com. Now this is the same exact strategy that I talked about in last week's video, how to get started with Marketplace dropshipping, and then also how to actually list an item. You guys can actually see here that I've actually just made a recent order with that because I have been generating sales from that particular listing. So you definitely want to look into that and probably list that onto your Marketplace, and you may get a sale or not. I can't promise you that you'll get sales, but I'm just sharing with you what happened to me. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, you want to go into the search bar, and you want to insert the niche or whatever it is into the search bar so you can find additional items listed for that. Let's go ahead and let's start again with furniture. Like I said, furniture does very well on Marketplace, furniture or home decor, something like that. So again, if we were to put in bookcase and clicked on search, what we want to see here is a list of items that pop up. So what we want to do next is we want to filter this search and we want to click on best sellers. Now once we have done that, the ones that are listed as best sellers will actually show up. So you can see here this particular 3-shelf bookcase is listed as a best seller. Also, if we scroll down a little bit further, we can see another best seller. So right here, this will actually give you some ideas of what you can go ahead and list onto Marketplace. Now also be mindful of this. This is a way for you to go ahead and get started. This will not be a long-term option because eventually you're going to post all the best sellers from Walmart onto your Marketplace. So you will need to find additional strategies in order to source your items and things like that. So again, everything that I'm going to share with you in this video is for those who are trying to get their first sales on Marketplace. So this is what you want to do. Also, you want to look for items that have a lot of reviews. If they have a lot of reviews, that also is a good indicator that you can the item is selling, and then you also want to post that item onto your Marketplace. And again, check out last week's video, and I'm going to include that in the description box below this video. And I show you guys how you can actually go through the listing, how to actually post that listing onto Marketplace so that way you can start getting sales. Also, something that you want to pay attention to when you are sourcing items from Walmart. If you're sourcing items from Walmart and you're actually using one of their brands, typically it comes with 2-day shipping. So you can see here some of these offers come with free shipping, but these aren't really, well, this is mainstays. So you can see it's free shipping here. Some of them will actually be labeled 2-day shipping. So you definitely want to list those type of items if they have 2-day shipping available as well. Also, something else that you want to note when you're coming over here to Walmart.com to source your items. If you choose items that cost over $35, it includes free shipping. So like this right here, this bookshelf right here, the 3-shelf bookshelf is a bestseller, but it's only $22. So do understand that if you were to source this item, you will still have to pay shipping for this item, and then also you'll have to pay for taxes as well. Unless you're tax exempt, you're going to have to pay taxes on a lot of these items that you post onto, that you source from Walmart and things like that. So make sure you take that information into account when you are sourcing items from Walmart. Also, anything that I mentioned in this video or any additional tools that will actually help you to get your first sale, I'm going to include the show notes underneath this video in the description box, so you can just go ahead and click on that link at the end of this video so you can get more information about Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. Now the next option that you can use is eBay, and what you want to note here is that when you're using eBay, if it's selling on eBay, it more than likely will sell onto Facebook. So what we're going to do here again is we want to come over here to eBay, and we want to put the search term in the search bar. So again, I'm going to put patio furniture because again, furniture items, home decor items do pretty well on Marketplace. So now we have patio furniture here, and as you guys can see here, a variety of different listings come up. And what we want to do is we want to find items that have sold over at least 100 times in the last 30 days. So if we can scroll through here, we can see that this one has sold over 225 have been sold. Also, you can see this right here, over 650 of them have been sold and things like that. So these are good indicators that this product sells. This one right here is sold over 1,000, right? So these are good ideas of listings that you can go ahead and post onto Marketplace to generate sales. And then, like how I mentioned in last week's video, is that when you're posting these items, you definitely want to make sure that you're marking up the price, maybe at least at 30%, so that way you can earn some profits from these things that you are selling. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Do not just post items onto Marketplace and try to post the cheapest the cheapest price that you can just to get a sale, because that will bite you in the butt later on. And as you guys can see here with the patio furniture, they're kind of like higher ticket items as well. So you can also do this with kitchen items, right? So we'll come back over here to eBay. We put kitchen in the search engine, and as we can see here, we have a variety of different products that show up. So this magnetic knife scissor storage holder has sold almost over 900, right? So that's a good indicator right here that this is something that you can post onto Marketplace. And if you scroll down, this one has over 200 sold. This one has close to 400 sold right here. So these are just giving you good ideas of things that you can list onto Marketplace. And you want to follow what I shared with you, in the how to get started with Facebook dropshipping, Facebook Marketplace dropshipping video on how to actually grab these pictures, how to list the item, and everything else. Just follow along with that training step by step, and that's how you're going to start getting listings. And you want to make sure make sure that you're listing at minimum 1 to 2 products per day onto Facebook Marketplace. Again, if you can do more, you can go for it, but if you want to be consistent, do at least 1 to 2 per day. Now, the last one that I want to share with you is Amazon.com. So if you were to come over here to Amazon and you go to the top left and you click on the 3 lines, at the top, you're going to see what's trending. You're going to see the best sellers, new sellers, and movers and shakers. And what you want to do is you want to go through each of these tabs in order to find products that you can list, or to even give you inspiration of products that you can actually search for on Walmart.com and also on eBay. So let's go ahead. Let's start with best sellers. And as you can see here, they're giving us the best sellers for each category. And let's go back to patio, lawn, and garden. Let's choose that category. And now we see a variety of different items that post up. Now, you don't want to list everything that is listed on this page. You don't want to do that. We want to find items that, again, that are furniture related and things like that. You can also test out some of these other things, but I will kind of stay away from anything that has ant killers or anything like that. I'd rather just go ahead and stay away from products like that. But this item right here, we can see here, this is a set of adjustable steel gravity lounge chair recliners, okay? So this is something that you can definitely post onto Facebook Marketplace. Also note that these are kind of like summer items. As I'm recording this video, it is spring and it will be summer in about a month or 2 or something like that. So you can definitely look for seasonal items on all 3 of these websites that I have mentioned, and they probably will do very well right now because it's trending right now, right? Because people are looking for summer items. They're looking for, maybe, kiddie pools or whatever else, and they're looking for those type of items for the summer. And then again, because they're seasonal items, they will die out. But then what you will do next is find another trending item that'll work for the fall and the winter, right? So that's what you would do there. Also, if we were to scroll down, we can see here are some patio umbrellas that you can actually list onto Marketplace. And then also note that if you are going to be sourcing your items from Amazon, in my personal experience, I stay away from the 2-day shipping. And the reason why I do this is because they will give me an Amazon tracking number. And with those Amazon tracking numbers, Facebook currently does not accept those type of numbers, those tracking numbers, right? They only accept the tracking numbers for USPS, FedEx, and UPS, okay? So keep that in mind. So when you are sourcing items from Amazon, you want to just use regular shipping so that way you can get a tracking number from USPS, FedEx, or whatever else. You do not want to use the 2-day shipping because, again, I will repeat, you will get an Amazon tracking number, and those are not recognized inside of Marketplace right now. I can't tell you the reason why it is. It's just what it is. If anything changes, I'll make sure I post a video about that, but that's how it is. Now, also what you want to do is you can also get inspiration from Amazon, because you can see like this item right here costs $47. You can definitely go back over to eBay. You can search for, you know, a patio umbrella. And if you find things at a cheaper price over here to source it from, then you can definitely source it from eBay. And then that way you can go ahead and post that onto Facebook Marketplace and things like that. But those are the 3 ways that I actually do product research as of right now to help me find products to list onto Marketplace. So in this video, I share with you a few simple ways that you can get started with product research for Marketplace dropshipping. Now, again, these are the things that I'm currently doing right now. I am testing a paid tool right now. So once I get a full review about that, I'll create a separate video on some paid tools that you can use to help you with product research, so that way you can list more items onto Marketplace. Now, if you want me to do a full review about that, make sure you just leave a comment below. If you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, also leave a comment below. You can also join my Facebook group as well. And then also make sure you get access to the show notes that I have included in the description box below this video. That's going to give you additional resources and tools and videos that will actually help you to get your first sale with Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.